Discover the ultimate baby bath experience with our curated collection of the best baby bath shower heads, trending on Amazon. These top-rated picks are designed to make bath time a delight for your little one, combining safety, fun, and ease of use. Perfect for nurturing a love for water in your infant, each shower head promises to add a splash of joy to your daily routine. So without further ado, let's get started. At number 3 is the Danco VersaSpray Portable Handheld Shower Head Sprayer. The Danco VersaSpray Portable Handheld Shower Head is a game-changer for those with bathtubs lacking a built-in shower head, particularly if the bathtub comes without a diverter. Before delving into its features, it's crucial to note that this sprayer is specifically designed to fit standard-size round or square tub spouts without a pull-up diverter, ensuring it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. A unique aspect of the VersaSpray is the prerequisite to pre-soak the nozzle in hot water, allowing the rubber to soften and stretch for a more secure fit. This step is critical for a leak-free experience, but it does add an extra task before installation. The VersaSpray's most commendable feature is the adjustable metal clamp that comes with the unit. This clamp is designed to fasten the rubber nozzle onto the tub spout firmly, remedying the common issue of handheld sprayer nozzles slipping or losing their seal. The sprayer nozzle itself has been re-engineered to be softer and more flexible, accommodating a stretch of up to 2 inches, which caters to various spout sizes and shapes. This improvement signifies Danco's commitment to versatility and user convenience. The 42-inch hose offers ample length for various uses, such as washing pets, bathing kids, or simply rinsing after a soak. The water flow rate of 2.2 GPM is generous and efficient, though it requires a careful approach to avoid splashing. Starting slow and increasing to full flow is recommended. At number 2 is the Hofnie Filtered Shower Head with Handheld. The Hofnie Filtered Shower Head with Handheld is a versatile and health-conscious addition to the modern bathroom. Offering an invigorating high-pressure shower experience, this shower head doesn't just aim to cleanse but also to rejuvenate with its powerful water output. With 5 spray modes, users can customize their showering experience to their mood or needs, whether seeking a gentle mist or a more targeted massage. This level of customization is a significant advantage for households with varying preferences, ensuring each person can enjoy their ideal shower setting. The durability of the included stainless steel hose is another highlight. It extends the reach of the water, allowing for greater flexibility, whether rinsing off, cleaning the shower area, or assisting others such as children or pets. The rust-resistant nature of stainless steel also means this hose will maintain both its function and aesthetic appeal over time. One of the most appealing features is the 3-stage hard water filter. This filter works to remove minerals and impurities that are common in many water supplies. The benefits are multifold. It can protect skin and hair from the drying effects of hard water, prevent mineral buildup on shower surfaces, and potentially extend the life of bathroom fixtures. Additionally, the adjustable water flow feature empowers users to fine-tune their shower, from a water-saving trickle to a full, luxurious cascade. This is ideal for those conscious of water usage or in locations with variable water pressure. At number 1 is the Sunwuking Toddler Shower Head for Bath. The Sunwuking Toddler Shower Head for Bath transforms routine baby baths into an entertaining experience for toddlers. Designed to captivate the young one's attention, this baby bath shower head and bathtub toy is sure to make bath time a highlight of their day, with its gentle and playful water flow. One of the product's key strengths is its ease of installation and use. Powered by 3 batteries, the shower head is simple to set up, eliminating any hassle for parents. The inclusion of suction cups for both the pump and hook is a thoughtful touch, ensuring the unit remains stable during use, allowing parents to remain hands-free to interact and supervise their child's bath time. The toddler shower head is cleverly designed to operate under an easy-to-use system. Submerging the pump in water and pressing the designated switch brings the toy to life, letting water spray out to the delight of the toddler. This straightforward operation is perfect for busy parents looking for a quick setup. Safety and quality are important when it comes to children's toys, and Sunwuking seems to have taken this seriously. The baby shower sprayer and its components are made from high-quality materials that have been rigorously tested and certified for water use. This ensures peace of mind for parents concerned about the durability and safety of bath toys. However, maintenance is crucial for the longevity of the product. The manufacturer recommends drying the shower head after each use and removing the batteries to prevent corrosion or damage. This extra step might be a minor inconvenience, but is necessary for ensuring the toy remains hygienic and functional over time. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.